Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is December 30th, Thursday. It is so warm out. Look at this. Let's see what I haven't had the motorcycle out long enough. The garage is probably cooler. It's got to be in the 80s. Unseasonably warm, but hopefully we're having a cool front coming in. I don't know if it's Sunday or what. It's supposed to be a cool front coming back in, so we could use it. Let's see what. It says 82, but it's warmer than that. But out on the Goldwing today. Have a full tank of gas. I filled it up before I took it home. It's dusty, but oh well. I actually charged up a drone battery today because it's pretty clear out. It's not windy. Maybe I'll find a empty new neighborhood that they're building everywhere. There's a home shortage here. So the existing homes are going for quite a bit. We're selling ours hopefully next month. Or January. Our house up north is getting really close. All we need is the switches and electricity and lights put in, and appliances. So they need to order the appliances, all the lighting, and then we should be kind of done. And landscaping and grass, but that's God, they should have all this done by the end of January, you would think. So that would actually be a kind of a good time to go to move. Bye. Now I'm back to using the Hero 7. Even with the plastic case and the mic adapter, it's not as heavy as the Hero 9. That thing with the what do you call it, the medium mod. That thing's just heavy. It just weighs your neck down, your helmet down, and just horrible. It's just too big. It's not made for moto vlogging. So I'm back to the Hero 7. I like it anyway. Hero 7 black. Bye. Okay, I had to turn around. There's a big old buzzard sitting on this little pole, this little stake up here. It didn't even move. There, he's still there. Look how big those suckers are. Now, did he move? Ah, he moved. He was on that pole. Ah, there he is. Look at the size of that buzzard. That turkey buzzard's eyes eating something dead. He was sitting on a stick. Look at, there he is. He's sitting on it. Look how big those things are. Ooh. Oh, there he's sitting on that thing. Ha! That's so funny. Now this is Sun City. The new addition to Sun City. Look how small these homes are. I think you got to be 55 and above to live out here. I certainly qualify for that, but I don't want to live in a Sun City. These neighborhoods are just packed in. You could jump from roof to roof. Not for me. I live in a neighborhood like that. Well, not like this. It's actually a little bit better than this. That buzzard was pretty cool. I hit one of them once with this on a trip. It flew up in front of me and it boom, it smashed me right here. I had guts and feathers all over me and killed it, and people were behind us, and we stopped at Sonic to clean myself off, and they stopped in and they asked us, young kids, college kids, they asked us if we were okay, you know, because they saw us right behind us when they hit that buzzard. If it would hit me in the head, it would have broke my neck. So we got lucky. It hit right here, down low on the windshield, and it didn't break anything. But those things are huge.